What's good? It's the Hunter Hoffman. In this video, I'm going to show you how cumbersome it is to use the M Performance exhaust on a BMW M2 LCI European spec and how we're going to bypass it. So when the engine is on, normally you would be able to open up the valves of your exhaust by pressing the remote twice. As you can see, nothing really happens. So in order to make this remote work, we would have to go to the back of the car. So as you can see, there's this red button over here, and currently it's off. So when I press it like so, you can see the light turning on. So after turning on the red button, now we would be able to use this remote properly. There you go. Alright, so in order to get to the red button, we first need to remove the back panel of the trunk. So first off, we remove these two clips on the right side of the trunk. And then remove the other two on the opposite side. So then there are two more clips on the top of the trunk, one here and one over here. And then finally there's one more on the side of the trunk. Next off, remove the back panel, like so. And now you will be able to remove the liner of the trunk. And get access to the red button. This is what you would then see. Here's the connector and the back of the red button. And before disconnecting the red button and removing it, we would first need to turn off the M Performance exhaust module. Then go ahead and unscrew the red button, disconnect it, and here we go. Next up, we cut the black wire. We strip it and repeat the same on the other black wire. Next up, intertwine the black cables of the connector and use a shrink sleeve to tidy it up. Also intertwine the upper parts of the black cable and plug it back in. And don't forget to turn on the M Performance exhaust module again. So, moment of truth, the red light should come on straight away after putting on the ignition. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Tidy it all back together. Alright, so as you could have seen, the red light is now always on. So if I now press ignition, start the engine, and get my remote out. There we go. No more annoying red button.